Subject-verb agreement, rule number 1. Singular subjects need singular verbs and plural subjects need plural verbs. If the subject is singular, use is. For example, my brother is a nurse. The man was alone when I saw him. In the first example, we use is because the brother is only one and the man is also singular. We use was, not where. Don't forget to learn English every day. Love, Teacher Randy. Subject-verb agreement rule number 2. When who, which, or that serves as the subject in a subordinate clause, the verb must agree in number with the antecedent. What is the antecedent? The word the pronoun refers to. Like Randy, he. Who is being referred to he? It's Randy. Randy is the antecedent. The antecedent determines whether the verb should be singular or plural. Look at this. If the antecedent is singular, the verb in the subordinate clause is singular. If the antecedent is plural, the verb in the subordinate clause is in the plural form. Example, singular antecedent. She is the kind of teacher who inspires her students. The antecedent teacher is singular, so the verb inspires is singular. Plural antecedent. They are the students who excel in mathematics. The antecedent students is plural, so the verb excel is plural. It's not excels. For singular antecedent, this is the book that belongs to my friend. The antecedent book is singular, so the verb belongs, not belong. Plural antecedent, these are the books that were borrowed from the library. The antecedent books is plural, so the verb were borrowed is plural. For singular antecedent, he is the only athlete who has broken the record. The antecedent athlete pertained by the who there in the sentence is singular, so the verb has broken is singular. Has broken. For plural antecedent, they are the players who have been selected for the national team. The antecedent players is plural, so the verb have been selected is plural. The verb in the subordinate clause agrees with the number of the antecedent. Always remember, regardless of the words in the sentence. Identifying the antecedent is the key to determining the correct verb form. Don't forget to learn English every day. This is Teacher Randy. Subject-verb agreement rule number 3. Nouns in plural form but singular in meaning. When the noun is in plural form but refers to something singular in meaning, usually things that represent weight, volume, or quantity, we use singular verb. For examples, 20 liters of milk was spilled. 20 liters? So it must be plural. But it is a quantity, milk. So we will be using singular verb. You will be using was. The sentence is 20 liters of milk was spilled, not were. 5 kilograms of sugar is required for the recipe. Even though kilograms is plural, the noun sugar is singular, so the verb should be singular. Don't forget to learn English every day. Love, Teacher Randy. Subject-verb agreement rule number 4. For third-person singular subjects in the present tense, we add s or es to the verb. So this applies to the subjects like he, she, and it. For example, the dog barks loudly every morning. The dog is in the third-person singular, so we add s to the verb bark, so it will be barks. She dances beautifully. She is in the third person singular, so with the word dance, which is the verb, we will add s on it, so it will become she dances beautifully. Don't forget to learn English every day. This is teaching. Subject-verb agreement rule number 5. The indefinite pronoun none can be singular or plural depending on the context of the nouns it refers to. None of the cookies are left. None here refers to the cookies, which is plural. So we use the plural verb are. Don't forget to learn English every day. Love, Teacher Randy. Subject-verb agreement rule number 6. Indefinite pronouns such as anyone, everyone, someone, no one, nobody, and each are always singular and require singular verbs. For example, everyone is, not are, invited to the event. Nobody said it was, not were, easy. Third, each of the students was given a topic to discuss. So the subject is each, not the students in this sentence. So remember, anyone, everyone, someone, no one, nobody, and each are always singular and they require singular verbs in the sentence. Don't forget to learn English every day. Love, Teacher Randy. Subject-verb agreement rule number 7. The words all and some can be either singular or plural, depending on the noun they refer to, whether the noun is countable or uncountable. For example, some of the books are missing. Books here is countable and plural, so are is used. All of the water is evaporated. The water here is uncountable. You cannot count the water. So we use the singular verb is. Don't forget to learn English every day. Love, Teacher Randy. Subject-verb agreement rule number 8. Both neither or either are always singular, even though they might refer to two things. Neither of the options is available. Neither is singular again, so we will be using is, not are, is used. Either choice is fine with me. Either refers to one of the two choices, so we'll be using is in the verb. Either choice is fine with me. Don't forget to learn English every day. This is Teacher Randy. Subject-verb agreement rule number 9. When or, nor, either, or, and neither, nor are used, the verb should agree with the subject nearest to it. For example, either the teacher or the students are responsible for the subject. There are two subjects here, teacher and students. So the verb that will come after the subject will follow the nearest subject. Which is the nearest subject? Students. Students is plural here, so we will use the verb are. Students is closer to the verb, so are is used. Neither the manager nor his employees were aware of the changes. Employees here is closer to the verb, so where is used. Don't forget to learn English every day. Love, Teacher Randy. Subject-verb agreement rule number 11. Collective nouns like team, committee, group, and others take a singular verb when the group is acting as a unit. However, they take a plural verb when referring to the individual members of the group acting separately. For example, the committee is meeting today. The group is acting as a unit, so is used. The members of the committee are arguing. The individuals are acting separately due to the word members. The verb should be are. Don't forget to learn English every day.
Love, Teacher Randy.
The pronoun you always takes a plural verb, whether it refers to one person or more. Subject-verb agreement rule number 12. You are my best friend. You takes the plural verb are. All of you are invited to the wedding. You is treated here as plural, so are is being used. Don't forget to learn English every day